Good morning, welcome to 2 and 2 on Thursday the 1st of May. Okay, looking at the pound dollar first, and as you can see yesterday we pushed up further, we broke through the highs, we put a higher low in, so we continue in this shove up. As I said earlier, late last week when we looked at the order book, there appears very little in the way of resistance above on cable, so it could continue this way. Also, the retail traders are getting heavier and heavier on the short side, which often means that we see a continuation to the upside. However, today there are a couple of points to watch out for. We've got a possible downside target of 168.60, and also we've got a monthly pivot that's just appeared, a new monthly pivot which is above us. It's often hit earlier on in the month, early to mid-month, and that's below us. So if we do start seeing some downside movements, and it continues, there are obvious targets, both of those. But for now, it looks relatively bullish. Just looking at the short-term time frame, exactly the same thing, just a bit of consolidation on this 4-hourly. And as I say, it's looking at the moment relatively bullish. I would be watching out for divergences into yesterday's highs there. If it starts appearing, which could be the move back down to the pivot. Looking at the euro dollar, and we've pushed out and broken through some highs that we've been putting in over the last few days. Let's look at this in a bit more detail. But we're still in a relatively part of the range that's sort of sitting there. We need to push up to 139.03. Now this is a possibilities day. It is a European bank holiday. So much of Europe's on holiday. Volumes I expect to be relatively light after perhaps the early initial trading, although London is a key market, but obviously the European market as a whole is key. Now I do have a downside target on the euro of 138.40, and again we've got the monthly pivot below us, so if it does start breaking down at some point, that is a possibility. Now the highs have been taken out this morning, I should add, on relatively, I guess, lower volumes, but they certainly have been taken out at the moment. Resistance, well, we got the prior highs there at 139.05, which I'd be watching for. Okay, that's it for me. Hope you have a great day. Bye for now.